When iron contamination in materials exceeds limits, product yield plummets. Choosing the right equipment can save you a lot of trouble. Taihong's drawer-type pipeline magnetic separator is precision crafted from 300 for stainless steel to meet customer specifications, featuring a fully welded, monolithic construction that ensures a tight seal, corrosion resistance, and a residue-free, hygienic design. With standard flange connections, installation is simple. The magnetic bars are strategically arranged to ensure full contact between the material and the magnetic surface, enabling smooth material discharge and reducing the risk of blockages and rework. High-intensity magnetism captures even the finest iron impurities. The drawer-style design allows for quick cleaning without disassembling the pipeline, making maintenance more efficient. Suitable for lithium battery raw materials, food powders, chemical granules, and various production lines. Shanghai Taihong's manufacturing facility offers customization to meet your needs. Is your production line still plagued by iron impurities? Feel free to contact us.